This is Jared, and I've got Waffle with me out here on Old Hancock Trail. This trail, it tests your patience, not your legs. It's just exposed, it's long, and the scenery doesn't change much. Today's not about adrenaline. It's about the discipline of putting one foot in front of the other to see some of those views of the lake. This is the reality of the trail right now. Even in winter, there's no shade, it's full sun. This is where people are gonna make mistakes. They try to rush to get out of it. They actually need to slow down, manage their water, and just keep a steady pace. Don't fight the heat, you've gotta work with it and manage it. Waffle getting his first swim in. There's a lot of ducks down here too. You have to watch your step through here. The ground is chewed up and rocky. It's not a hard hike, but it's tedious. If you lose for a second, if that's a rolled ankle, eyes on the path, deliberate step. Yeah, all right. We made it to the halfway or the end, but this is a out and back, so the fun is over, the novelty's worn off. We're supposed to backtrack on the same trail, so keeping a good attitude once the novelty has worn off is going to be important. We may do the thing that we like to do where we try and get off trail and keep things fresh. All right, we're stopping here for a quick snack break. Waffle always gets to go first. Hey buddy, treat. No, take it. Okay, you can do it on your own terms then. Well, looks like we found a pretty nice inflatable tube. Unfortunately, someone abandoned it, and now it's just trash. I wish me and Waffle had a way to get it out and dispose of it, but not in the cards, just hiking. Not sure how I feel about this. There's a beautiful E-grate, and its amazing perch seems to be just a giant old tractor tire. So, probably not good for the environment, but nature's making do. We're finishing up now. Got in a little bit around less than 6 miles. It was a little bit shorter because we came back following the lake shoreline instead of the trails, which takes you further away. Normally you'd be closer, but the lake is very low right now. Terrain was easy. The hard part is just being exposed to the sun with no shade, and the Texas sun is super hot. Thanks for watching, and make sure you join us on our next adventure.